Are you tired of working endless hours but still struggling financially? Dreaming of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and achieving true financial independence? What if money wasn't a problem? If you want to build wealth, escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and create a life of freedom, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping you take control of your finances, invest wisely, and unlock multiple income streams. I've spent years studying financial strategies, how to save, invest, and create passive income. On this channel, you'll discover proven strategies to increase your income. Smart investing tips, even if you're a beginner, side hustles that actually work, the secrets to building wealth without burnout, and financial independence and early retirement. New videos drop every day, helping you stay on track to financial freedom. If you're ready to take charge of your finances and build the life you've always wanted, hit that subscribe button now. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.